Hello internet friends, in this video I will be constructing the left tank fuel vent. I'm trying to remember which fuel tank I'm on. Pretty sure it's the left fuel tank. Maybe it's the right fuel tank actually. It is the right fuel tank. I am so confused on which one I'm on. I've built one and I've got one to go, and it's the right fuel tank, and you can tell because the wing attach bracket is on the other side and the fuel cap is on the side facing us, so that's gonna be the right wing. So it's the right fuel tank. Okay, so anyway, Vans gives you a measurement of 1,150 millimeters or 0.4 millimeters, whatever it is, right, to cut this tubing. But you know what? If you just stick it through the holes and then kind of measure it that way, you don't need to measure exactly to that. You can just stick it through the holes, and look at me, I'm gonna mark it right now where to cut. So that's my recommendation, is measure it that way, because it's way easier than trying to measure to the exact size. And then you're gonna want to cut it a little bit longer, because you are going to screw up this flare tool, just like I do right now. I screwed it up one time and I twisted it too many times, and, so now I gotta cut it off and do it again. So there you go. Cut it a little tiny bit longer so you can screw it up 1 or 2 times is my recommendation, because you can't join it. So if you do the whole size and then you screw it up, you're gonna go get more tubing and remake this again. So there you go. Yeah, but then once that's together, then you kind of just need to rotate the vent line out of the way, because now we have to rivet this inboard rib into place, but that will be another video. So speaking of other videos, if you haven't seen any or want to watch anybody else's, just scan the Slack QR code, come join us in the Slack group, and I'll see you there, and see you in the next video.